Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Previous class, I think this was the last problem we discussed. Finding y at x is equal to 0.5. This was the last problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we start with this problem. And this particular problem is very, very important in examination point of view. It appeared many times in the past examination. The area of a circle A corresponds to the diameter D is given below. Find the area corresponding to the diameter 105 using the appropriate interpolation formula. This is x. D means x here. This is x and this is y. This is y. Here x takes values 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Correspondingly, y takes values 5026, 5674, 6362, 7088 and 7854. These are the values attained by y. What kind of interpolation is this? Forward or backward? Y is required when x is equal to 105, right? Area A is required when diameter is 105. That means y is required when x is equal to 105. First mark the midpoint. 90 is the midpoint, correct? This is the midpoint. Where is this 105? 95, 100, 105 will come somewhere here. Therefore, that is to the right of the table. Right of the table means backward interpolation is appropriate here. Backward interpolation formula. First, you construct the difference table. Construct the difference table. One column for x. I left my pen tab in college. That's why I'm struggling to write with this mouth. It's very difficult for me to write with using this mouth. But anyway, I'll manage. X takes values 80, 85. X takes values 80, 85, 90. Here X means capital letter D. And Y means capital letter A. Capital letter A. 80, 85, 90, 95, 95 and 100. 100. Correspondingly, Y takes 5026, 5026, 5674, 5674, 6362, 6362. It is very difficult to write using mouse. 6362, 7088, 7088 and 7854. 7854. Now you write first order differences, del y. First order differences. This will go up to fourth order. First order differences and then second order differences and then third order differences del cube y and fourth order differences del power 4 y. You finish the table. First, write down first order differences. First order differences are 648, 688, 726, 766. Correct? They are
Yes,
640,
sir.
648, 688, 688, 726, 726, and 766. 766. Similarly, write second order differences, third order, and fourth differences. Second order differences are 40, 38, and 40. You compare with which you obtained. Are these values correct? 40, 38, and 40?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the third differences are minus 2 and 2. Third order differences are minus 2 and 2. And fourth order difference, 4. Compare the values with which you obtained. If they are correct, we can proceed. I'll show you the table. This is the table, difference table. I was struggling to write with mouse. These are the values attained by X. These are the values attained by X, and these are the values attained by Y, and first order differences. I'll explain once again for those who are very busy yesterday and could not attend the classes. 7854 minus 7088. You start from this end. 7854 minus 7088 is 766. You write in between these two. 7854 minus 7088. Write in between these two here. 7088 minus 6362 is 726. Right in between these two. 6362 minus 5674 is 688. 5674 minus 5026 is 648. These values are called first order differences. First order differences. Next, second order differences. 766 minus 726, 40. 726 minus 688, 38. 688 minus 648 is 40. These values are called second order differences. 40 minus 38 is 2. 38 minus 40 is minus 2. These values are called third order differences. Next, 2 minus into minus plus 2, 4. This is called fourth order difference. This is the difference table. For writing this table, you get 3 marks in the examination. What next? Finding R. And which is appropriate interpolation formula here? Backward interpolation. So in case of backward interpolation, R is given by x minus xn divided by h. In case of forward interpolation, it is x minus x naught divided by h. Right? In case of forward interpolation, R is given by x minus x naught divided by h. In case of backward interpolation, R is given by x minus xn divided by h. Xn, y is required at x is equal to 105. This is x. Y is required at x is equal to 105. That is the value of x. Corresponding to diameter 105. This is the value of x. Substitute. X is equal to 105. And xn. Xn is equal to 100. This last one is xn. x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. x4 is xn. 100. Divided by h. 85 minus 80 is 5. 90 minus 85 is 5. 95 minus 90 is 5. 100 minus 95 is 5. X is equally spaced and h is equal to 5. 105 minus 100 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. This is R. Now write backward interpolation formula up to fourth difference. Because we have up to fourth difference, this table is there. Now write the formula. YR is equal to backward interpolation formula, yn plus r into del yn plus r into r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square yn plus r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del cube yn plus r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 into r plus 3 divided by 4 factorial into del power 4 yn. We have all the values substitute. In case of forward interpolation, we consider these values, but in case of backward interpolation, we consider these values. In case of backward interpolation, we consider these values. Substitute yn. Here yn is 7,854. y0, y1, y2, y3, and this is y4. y4 is yn here. 7,854 plus r into r is 1 into del yn. Del yn is 766 plus r into r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial. R is 1, therefore 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2 factorial is 2 into del square yn. Del square yn is 40. Substitute here. Del square yn is 40. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 divided by 3 factorial is 6 into del cube yn, and del cube yn is 2. Substitute. Plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 divided by 4 factorial is 24 into del power 4 yn. Del power 4 yn is 4. Substitute all the values as simplify. You take a calculator, simplify.
One 1590. 8660. 8660.
8666.
8,666 is correct answer. 8,666. That's correct. 8,666. 8,666. This is the answer. 8,666 square units is the area when diameter D is 105. 8,666. The problem na mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ while reading, while studying. You must give high priority to this problem. This is very important. Is this clear? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Next one. The following table gives the values of tan x for 0.10 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0.30. Find tan 0.26. Find tan 0.26. The required function is y is equal to tan x. That is the function. Y is equal to tan x is the function. Y is equal to tan x. Therefore, let's tabulate the values. X, first column, y means tan x. Y is equal to tan x, second column. x tan x. Tabulate the values. Here x takes values 0.10, 0.10, 0.15, 0.15, 0.2, 0.25 and 3. 0.25 and 3. These are the values attained by x. Corresponding values of y are 0.1003 here, 0.1511 here, 0.2027 here, 0.2553 here, 0.3093 here. You construct the table. This will go up to fourth differences. And what kind of interpolation is this? Forward or backward? X is equal to 0.26. Y is required when x is equal to 0.26. Midpoint. This is the midpoint. Two ordinates to the left, two ordinates to the right. This is the midpoint. 0.26 comes somewhere here between 0.25 and 0.30. That is to the right of the table. To the right of the table means backward interpolation is appropriate. Backward interpolation. First you finish off this table. Once you finish the table, let me know. Is construction of the table over? Is table construction over? This is the table. X, Y, first order differences del y are 0.0508, 0.0516, 0.0526, 0.0554. Second differences are 0.0008, 0.001, 0.0014. Third differences are 0.0002, 0.0004. And fourth difference 0.0002. Now you compare the values with which you obtained and tell me whether the values are correct or not. Well is criteria?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's proceed. First, we find R. In case of backward interpolation, R is given by x minus xn divided by h. What is x? X is 0.26, I think. X is s 0.26. Find tan of 0.26. This is tan x. X is equal to 0.26. Substitute. Minus xn is 0.30. 0.26 minus 0.30 divided by h. What is h here? 0.15 minus 1. 0.2 minus 0.15. 0.25 minus 0.2. 0.30 minus 0.25, that is 0.05. Calculate and it will come, it will be minus 0.8. R is equal to minus 0.8. Got it?
Yes,
R,
sir.
R is minus 0.8. Now write the backward interpolation formula up to fourth difference. This is backward interpolation formula up to fourth difference. Yn is 0.3093. R is minus 0.8 into del Yn. Del Yn is 0.054. R into R plus 1, R is minus 0.8. Substitute, divided by 2 factorial is 2 itself. Del square Yn is 0.0014 plus R into R plus 1 into R plus 2 divided by 3 factorial is 6 and R is minus 0.8. Del cube Yn is 0.0004 plus R into R plus 1 into R plus 2 into R plus 3 divided by 4 factorial is 24 into del power 4 Yn. This is del power 4 Yn. Substitute all the values, simplify. What's the answer?
Zero point 26597.
26597. Okay, this is acceptable. I got it 0.266. Can be approximated to 6. Therefore, this is okay. You can take this answer 0.26597. 0.26597 to 6. It's very difficult to write with the mouse. 0.2659. After 4 decimal places, it's enough. This is approximately 0.2660. 0.2660. Y is equal to 0.2660, that is tan 0.26. Y means tan 0.26 is equal to 0.2660. Next, compute f of x is equal to e power x for x is equal to 0.02. That means compute y. F of x means y. Y is equal to e power x is the function. Calculate y when x is equal to 0.02 from the following table. Here, x takes values 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and y is the function e power x. Y is equal to e power x. And what kind of interpolation is this? Forward or backward? 0.02. X is equal to 0.02, and this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. What kind of interpolation is this? Forward or backward?
Forward.
Forward, because 0.02 lies somewhere between 0 and 1. Therefore, that is to the left of the table. Forward interpolation is appropriate one. First, construct the table. Construct this table. And mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. Once you finish the table, let me know. Is table construction over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the table. You compare the values with which you obtained. Are they correct?
Yes, sir.
Then we find R. This is forward interpolation. Therefore, R is given by x minus x naught divided by h. X minus x naught. What is x here? X is 0.02. Y is required when x is equal to 0.02. And x naught is 0. And h is 0.1, 0.4 minus 0.3, 0.3 minus 0.2, 0.2 minus 0.1, 0.1 minus 0. H is 0.1. Substitute. You get R is equal to 0.2. X is 0.02, x naught is 0, and h is 0.1. You get 0.2. Substitute the values. What is y naught? Y naught is 1. Del y naught. This is del y naught. This is forward interpolation. Therefore, we consider these values. These values. Y naught is 1. Del y naught is 0.1052. Del square y naught is 0.011. Del cube y naught is 0.0013. And del power 4 y naught is minus 0.0002. Note down these values. And substitute here. Calculate and tell me whether this is equal to 1.0202 or not. I expect all of you to perform this calculation. So 1.0202. Verify.
It's correct, sir.
Okay, then 1.0202. At least first three decimal places must be correct. 1.020 fourth decimal place may be empty. The exact answer is 1.0202. Okay, I'll stop here and continue in the next class. That's on Monday. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.